So this is how you can check daily steps on the Apple Watch. Let me talk about it. And if this is your first time here on this channel, most definitely subscribe so you do not miss the upcoming tutorials and videos like this one. So it's pretty simple because all you have to do is to obviously wear the Apple Watch so the data can actually be collected. And then you open up the fitness app, which is the 3 Rings app, and you can see the amount of calories and all of the other data as well, but you just keep on swiping to reveal more, and you essentially get to the today view, and you have the amount of steps, distance, and flights climbed, so you can see some interesting data gets saved to the Apple Watch. So that's how you can browse it. I know a lot of people would prefer to see the step count on the main page of the Apple Watch, on the watch face. By default or through the official built-in apps, it's not possible, but you can get an app from the App Store, which is called Pedometer, or obviously there are even more apps with the same purpose, but there are third-party apps which allow you to add widgets and complications to the Apple Watch, showing the step count and even other information which is simply not available through the built-in method. So that is what you can do as well. And also, I would also check out the iPhone app, which is paired to my Apple Watch, and I would check out all of the data there as well, because all of the thing gets stored inside of the health app, and you can browse the steps, and you can go way into the past and see all of the things which, I don't know, like your activity and the amount of steps and all of the averages and the graphs and all of that. So it's also very useful to browse the information on the iPhone. So let me know what you think below. Subscribe for more tips and videos like this one, and I hope to see you later in the next videos as well.